Price increases or inflation can be thought of as the gradual loss of purchasing power. The average price increase of a selection of products and services over time can serve as a proxy for the rate at which buying power declines. And with inflation at an all-time high, it's now more important than ever to protect your savings from it. So stick around as we will tell you some tips to protect your money. Full disclosure, this information may not all be accurate, as market and policy changes may happen from the time this video has been published. 1. Change your spending habits. It can appear that making little budget changes won't have a big impact on your financial situation, but that's not the case. Some things you can do to save money are to cook at home more, change your cell phone plan to a cheaper one, cancel subscription services like Netflix and Hulu, and buy a used car instead of a new one. 2. Shop second-hand. A wonderful method to save money is to shop for used items. It's easy to find used furniture, clothing, home decor, exercise equipment, and much more at thrift shops and on classified sites like Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. The average American throws away roughly 65 pounds of clothing each year. You may lessen the amount of clothing that ends up in landfills by choosing to purchase used items rather than brand new ones. Investing in a gold IRA. If you want to protect your savings, there's no better option than putting money into a gold IRA. For those who don't know, a gold IRA is an IRS-approved individual retirement account and is the same as a regular IRA. But unlike other IRA accounts where you can keep stock, money, etc., it offers you to invest in the form of physical gold bars, silver coins, and platinum and palladium metals. Gold has been around for thousands of years and will stay for thousands more. It was used as a currency for many years, and the chance of it becoming obsolete is very rare. That is why it provides a strong hedge during inflation, as its prices face an increment in economic crashes. If you'd like to learn more, you can get a free Gold IRA kit by visiting the website shown in this video or in the description. This kit contains valuable information for starting a new account, adding assets to it, and picking a custodian. Instructions on how to buy gold and other precious metals, store them, and withdraw money from the account could also be included in the kit. If you found our video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.